Hey everybody, and welcome to Gardening with Ben. In today's video we're going to be planting some sweet corn seeds, as some of my sweet corn isn't doing too good what I've sown, so we're going to get some more in, and we're going to get a lot in, to be honest. We've got 3 packets of this sweet corn Swift F1. Now these are Wilco seeds. Wilco seeds always usually do very well, which you can get from the range, and they're pretty cheap. A cheap pack of seeds. One of the cheapest places that I always go to is Wilco's seeds. I used to go to the Wilco's shops when they were around, but since the range have taken them on, I go there to get all my seeds now. So we're going to be sowing these and getting them started and hopefully germinated within a couple of weeks, and then we'll plant them out once they're big enough to hopefully get a delicious crop of sweet corn this year, because that's what we want, a fantastic crop. I always do well at growing sweet corn, and we always seem to get a good crop, and there's nothing tastier than homegrown sweet corn. If you've never grown homegrown sweet corn and tasted it, you will see the difference, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So let's get sowing these seeds. So these are the sweet corn that I've sown so far. As you can see, they're not brilliant, so we're going to get another crop in and hopefully get them growing and get some delicious sweet corn growing. So I'm going to try planting them in these rather than in trays, as they're a bit deeper and they might grow better in them. So we're going to get some seeds and get them in. Also we need to get us compost in, so let's get all this compost in. So we've got the compost in, so we're going to pop a few seeds in each one and then cover them over with more compost. And there we have it. We've got all the seeds in as trays, so we just need to cover them over with compost and then give them a good watering. There we are, all nicely covered. So let's give them a good drink of water now. So they're all watered, and my next little trick, what I always use to get things germinated faster, is cling film. Putting cling film over them keeps them moist, keeps them warmer, and will speed up germination. So let's get them covered. So there we have it, all of them sealed up, nice and cosy. So hopefully they'll all germinate within a week, hopefully, depending on the weather. Fingers crossed, it's going to be a warm week this weekend. So let's see how they get on. Make sure you come back to keep up to date. So I hope you've enjoyed that little video and sharing that little tip of advice of using the cling film to keep them moist and keep them warmer and speed up germination. Make sure you drop us a follow for lots more tips and advice videos. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.